Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see when your PlayStation Plus membership expires. So just on the home screen, let's go up to the top, go to settings, and then scroll on down until you see users and accounts right here, and wait for the screen to load. Then go over to the right and go to payment and subscriptions, and you should see the option for subscriptions down here at the bottom. Manage your subscriptions and choose PlayStation Plus. And then you can see the expiration date right here. Now, if you don't have an expiration date, that means you currently have an active subscription and auto renew is turned on. So you want to go to cancel in the bottom left and then cancel it. So once you have an expiration date, then your credit card or your debit card will not be getting charged again in the future. So just go through the process to cancel, get an expiration date, and you'll be set. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.